We're stronger than we've ever been. We're faster than we've ever been. Our upperclassmen really committed to the off-season conditioning program and came in great shape. You know, we have our largest senior class in school history right now. We have 18 seniors, and we've got our strong junior class that's played a lot as well. So I really believe our upperclassmen are the key, and they've done a great job bringing the young guys in and building chemistry and camaraderie on the team, but setting a tone that football is very important. We're going to be very serious about football when it's time for football. I really love our schedule, and I love how it plays out. I love that we start with our 2 rivalry games against Carleton and Hamlin. We play for trophies with those 2 games. The mindset around here, we want to compete for championships. My concern right now is we don't have enough footballs to spread it around to all these guys, because they all can make an impact.